Unit 4. Fractions. Consider the following collection of flowers. There are 12 flowers in the collection. It forms the whole collection. Half of a collection. The above collection can be divided into two equal parts as shown below. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Each part has 6 flowers. Therefore, half of 12 is 6. That is 1 by 2 of 12 is 6, or 1 by 2 into 12 is equal to 6. Equivalent fractions A, B, C. Take two square cardboard pieces of the same size, figure A. Make a crease vertically at the center of one of them. The crease divides the square cardboard into two equal parts, figure B. Each part is 1 by 2 of the whole. Now make a horizontal crease at the center of the second cardboard piece. Open it and make a vertical crease also at its center. The two creases together divide the square cardboard into 4 equal parts. Compare two of these 4 parts. That is 2 by 4 part, figure C. With one of the two parts, that is 1 by 2 of the first cardboard. You will see that both are equal in size. It means that 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. The fractions 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 are called equivalent fractions. The above example shows that a part of a whole can be represented by different fractions. Such fractions are called equivalent fractions. Now let us see the relation between 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. Multiply the numerator and denominator of 1 by 2 by 2. We get 1 into 2 by 2 into 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Now divide the numerator and denominator of 2 by 4 by 2. We get 2 by 2 divided by 4 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 into 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Thus, by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, we get an equivalent fraction of a higher order. Conversely, by dividing the numerator and denominator of a fraction same number, we get an equivalent fraction of a lower order. Teacher's tip: use fractions while telling your pupils about the work completed, such as finish your 2 by 3rd task on Monday and rest on Tuesday. Checking equivalent fractions. A. Amit studied for 2 by 5 of an hour, and Ankit studied for 6 by 15 of an hour. Did they both study for the same duration of time? If we want to check whether two fractions are equal, we must cross multiply. 2 by 5 into 6 by 15 is equal to 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Since the cross products are equal, the fractions are equivalent. Answer: Amit and Ankit both studied for the same duration of time. B. Are 14 by 35 and 18 by 40 equivalent? 14 by 35 into 18 by 40 is equal to 14 into 40 is equal to 560. 35 into 18 is equal to 630. Since the cross products are not equal, the fractions are not equivalent. Answer: 14 by 35 and 18 by 40 are not equivalent. Reducing a fraction to its lowest terms. When you multiply both the terms of a fraction by the same number, you get an equivalent fraction. 1 into 2 by 2 into 2 is equal to 2 by 4, or 1 into 3 by 2 into 3 is equal to 3 by 6. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 are all equivalent fractions, but 1 by 2 is the fraction with least digits. A fraction is in the lowest term when the common factor between the numerators and the denominator is 1. A fraction can be reduced to its lowest terms by the following methods. Reduce the fraction 18 by 30 to its lowest term. 18 divided by 2 by 30 divided by 2 is equal to 9 divided by 3 by 15 divided by 3 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is in the lowest term of the fraction 18 by 30. The HCF of 18 and 30 is 6. Divide both the terms by 6. 18 divided by 6 by 30 divided by 6 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the fraction in the lowest terms of 18 by 30. Keep dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number till you cannot divide further. You can also reduce a given fraction to its lowest term in just one step by finding the HCF of both the terms and then dividing by it. Types of fractions. 1. Unit fraction. A fraction whose numerator is 1 is called a unit fraction. Examples: 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 13. 2. Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is smaller than its denominators. Examples: 2 by 3, 7 by 9, 11 by 15, 3 by 9. 3. Improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominators. Examples: 9 by 9, 11 by 9, 8 by 7, 6 by 4. 4. Like fractions. If the denominators of a group of fractions are equal, they are called like fractions. Examples: 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 4 by 5, 2 by 5. 5. Unlike fractions. If the denominators of a group of fractions are different, they are called unlike fractions. Examples: 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. 6. Mixed number. A mixed number is a combination of a counting number and a proper fraction. Example: 5 1 by 2, 3 2 by 5, 2 1 by 3, 1 3 by 4. The mixed number 2 1 by 3 is the combination of the counting number 2 and the proper fraction 1 by 3. It means 2 1 by 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 3. Similarly, 5 1 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2. 3 2 by 5 is equal to 3 plus 2 by 5, and 1 3 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4. Addition of unlike fraction. A. Find the sum of 7 by 12 and 5 by 8. 7 by 12 and 5 by 8 are unlike fractions. We have to make them like fractions. For that, find out the LCM of the denominators 12 and 8. LCM of 12 and 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24. Now divide the LCM by the two denominators. 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Multiply the numerator and denominator of 7 by 12 by 2. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. Multiply the numerator and denominator of 5 by 8 by 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Now take the fractions 14 by 24 and 15 by 24. They are like fractions. Answer: 14 by 24 plus 15 by 24 is equal to 29 by 24. B. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4 is equal to how much? 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10, is equal to 6 by 15, is equal to 8 by 20. 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 8, is equal to 3 by 12, is equal to 4 by 16, is equal to 5 by 20. 8 by 20 and 5 by 20 are like fractions. 8 by 20 plus 5 by 20 is equal to 13 by 20, or LCM of 5 and 4 is equal to 20. 2 into 4 by 5 into 4 is equal to 8 by 20. 1 into 5 by 4 into 5 is equal to 5 by 20. Therefore, 8 by 20 plus 5 by 20 is equal to 13 by 20. Answer: 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 13 by 20. To find equivalent fractions with a common denominator, we first find the LCM of the denominators. C. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4 is equal to how much? LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. 1 by 6 is equal to 2 by 12. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 2 by 12 plus 9 by 12 is equal to 11 by 12. Answer: 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 11 by 12. If the sum of two or more fractions is not in its lowest term, reduce it to the lowest term. D. Add 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. The LCM of the denominators 4 and 5 is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. C. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4 is equal to how much? LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. 1 by 6 is equal to 2 by 12. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 2 by 12 plus 9 by 12 is equal to 11 by 12. Answer: 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 11 by 12. If the sum of two or more fractions is not in its lowest term, reduce it to the lowest term. D. Add 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. The LCM of the denominators 4 and 5 is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 3 into 5 by 4 into 5 is equal to 15 by 20. 4 into 4 by 5 into 4 is equal to 16 by 20. Therefore, 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 is equal to 15 by 20 plus 16 by 20 is equal to 31 by 20. 4 and 5 have no common factors. So, the LCM of 4 and 5 is their product. If the sum of two or more fractions is an improper fraction, change the improper fraction to a mixed number. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 is equal to how much? 9 by 12 plus 8 by 12 is equal to 17 by 12 is equal to 5 by 12. Adding mixed numbers. To add mixed numbers, change them to improper fraction first. 3 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 4 is equal to how much? Change to improper fractions 7 by 2 plus 9 by 4. Change to equivalent fractions using the LCM method. 14 by 4 plus 9 by 4 is equal to 23 by 4. Change the improper fraction to a mixed number. 23 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, 3 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 4 is equal to 5 3 by 4. Subtracting unlike fractions. Subtracting proper fractions. The procedure to subtract an unlike fraction is the same as the addition of two unlike fractions. Let us see. A. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to how much? To subtract unlike fractions, change them into equivalent fractions first. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. So, 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. You can also use the LCM method to find the equivalent denominator. B. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 is equal to how much? LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. 5 by 6 is equal to 5 into 2 by 6 into 2 is equal to 10 by 12. 3 into 3 by 4 into 3 is equal to 9 by 12. Therefore, 10 by 12 minus 9 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. If the difference is not in its lowest term, reduce the fraction to the lowest term. B. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6 is equal to 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Lowest terms. Answer: 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Subtracting mixed numbers. Subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is equal to how much? To subtract mixed numbers, change them to improper fractions first. Change to improper fractions. 8 by 3 minus 5 by 4. Change to equivalent fractions. 32 by 12 minus 15 by 12 is equal to 17 by 12. Change the difference obtained to a mixed number. 17 by 12 is equal to 15 by 12. Trixie. Since 1 is the same as 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, etc., 5 is the same as 4, 2 by 2, 4, 3 by 3, 4, 4 by 4, etc. To solve mentally 5 minus 3 by 4, think 4, 4 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4, 1 by 4. To solve mentally 6 minus 1, 2 by 7, think 5, 7 by 7 minus 1, 2 by 7 is equal to 4, 5 by 7. Do these mentally. A. 3 minus 1 by 2. B. 4 minus 2, 1 by 3. Problem solving. Decide whether to add or subtract. A. Amrita did 3 by 7 of her homework on Saturday and 1 by 3 of it on Sunday. How much of the homework did she do over the weekend? B. Mrs. Sharma bought 5 liters of milk in the morning. There was 4 by 9 liter left in the evening. How much was used during the day? C. Angelica spent 1 by 2 of her pocket money to watch a movie and 1 by 4 on a new storybook. What fraction of her allowance did she spend? D. If 2 by 3 meters is cut from a ribbon which is 2 by 3 meters long, how much ribbon is left? E. Hemant walked half kilometers and jogged 3 by 4 of a kilometer. How far did he go in all? Multiplication of fractions. Multiply. 9 into 2 by 5 is equal to how much? To multiply a whole number and a fraction, step 1. Write the whole number as a fraction 9 by 1 into 2 by 5. Step 2. A. Multiply the numerators. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. B. Multiply the denominators. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 18 by 5. Step 3. Simplify. 18 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. B. 5 by 9 into 0 is equal to how much? 5 by 9 into 0. 5 by 9 into 0 by 1 is equal to 5 into 0 by 9 into 1 is equal to 0 by 9 is equal to 0. Answer: 5 by 7 into 0 is equal to 0. C. 6 by 8 into 1 is equal to how much? 6 by 8 into 1 is equal to 6 by 8 into 1 by 1 is equal to 6 into 1 by 8 into 1 is equal to 6 by 8. Answer: 6 by 8 into 1 is equal to 6 by 8. When we multiply a fraction by 0, we get 0 as the answer. When we multiply a fraction by 1, we get the same fraction. Multiplying two fractions. Let us again take the example of multiplying by a whole number. 2 by 7 into 3 is equal to 2 into 3 by 7 is equal to 6 by 7. We can write 3 as 3 by 1 also, because dividing a number by 1 does not change its value. 3 by 1 is a fraction, therefore 2 by 7 into 3 is equal to 2 by 7 into 3 by 1. Now multiply the numerators and denominators separately. 2 by 7 into 3 by 1 is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. We get the same product as earlier. Hence, to multiply two or more fractions, multiply the respective numerators and denominators. Example: 5 by 6 into 3 by 10 is equal to 5 into 3 by 6 into 10 is equal to 15 by 60 is equal to 1 by 4. Dividing 15 and 60 by their HCF 15. Multiplying by mixed number. A. Multiply 15 by 3, 1 by 5. Convert first the mixed number into an improper fraction. 3, 1 by 5 is equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 15 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 16 by 5. Therefore, 15 into 3, 1 by 5 is equal to 15 into 16 by 5 is equal to 15 into 16 by 5 is equal to 240 by 5 is equal to 48. Dividing 240 by 5. B. Find the product of 8, 3 by 4 and 7, 1 by 5. Here both are mixed numbers. 8, 3 by 4 is equal to 8 into 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 32 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 35 by 4. 7, 1 by 5 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 35 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 36 by 5. Therefore, 8, 3 by 4 into 7, 1 by 5 is equal to 35 by 4 into 36 by 5 is equal to 63 by 1 is equal to 63. Dividing fractions and whole numbers. Multiplicative inverse. To divide a whole number by a fraction, we should know the meaning of multiplicative inverse, MI. Two numbers are the multiplicative inverse, MI, of each other when their product is 1. Multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3 because 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 is equal to 12 by 12 is equal to 1. Let us divide 2 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to how much? When we want to divide 2 by 1 by 4, we write 2 divided by 1 by 4 and we think how many 1 by 4 in 2. To divide a whole number by a fraction, step 1. Write the whole number as a fraction. 2 by 1 divided by 1 by 4. Step 2. Find the multiplicative inverse mi of the divisor. Mi of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Step 3. Multiply the dividend and the mi of the divisor. 2 by 1 into 4 by 1 is equal to 8 by 1 is equal to 8. Step 4. Write in lowest terms. 8 is in its lowest terms. 2 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 8. Dividing a fraction by a whole number. 4 by 9 divided by 3, how much? To divide a fraction by a whole number, step 1. Write the whole number as fraction. 4 by 9 divided by 3 by 1. Step 2. Find the mi of the divisor. Mi of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. Step 3. Multiply the dividend and the mi of the divisor. 4 by 9 into 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 27. Step 4. Simplify. 4 by 27 is in lowest terms. From the above example, it is clear that to divide a fractional number by a whole number, we multiply the fractional number by the reciprocal of the whole number. Dividing a fraction by another fraction. Divide 10 by 21 by 2 by 3. To divide a fraction by a fraction, step 1. Find the mi of the divisor. Mi of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Step 2. Multiply the dividend and the mi of the divisor. 10 by 21 into 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 7. Step 3. Simplify. 5 by 7. Example. Divide 2 1 by 2 by 1 1 by 4. 2 1 by 2 divided by 1 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 2 into 4 by 5 is equal to 2. So, it is clear from the above example that to divide a mixed fraction by another mixed fraction, we first convert them into improper fractions and then multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Project. Amit's mother baked 7 pastries. He gave half of what she made plus half a pastry to his friend Anita. He then gave half of what was left plus half a pastry to another friend, Arman. Then he kept half of what was left plus a pastry from himself. How many pastries did each person get?